Today we will talk about these two phones in the Samsung Galaxy A54 versus Samsung Galaxy A34 series. As far as the difference are concerned, both the panel are capable of 120 Hz refresh rate. The A54 confusedly lacks any automatic refresh rate switching while in the presence of the A54 and surpasses the 1000 nits threshold. However, only the A54 display has HDR support HDR10+. A34 cannot do HDR at all. It even lacks a hardware decorator for HDR video. Let's talk about the battery life of the two phones. Both the A34 and A54 pack large 5000 mAh batteries of the pair. However, the A34 clearly stood out with its 133 hours of endurance in our property test. We found its MediaTek Dimensity 1080 chipset to be very efficient both on screen and off screen. Let's talk about the charging speed. Samsung Galaxy A54 phone has a 25W charger which will charge 30% in 50 minutes, 56% charge in 30 minutes and full phone takes 63 minutes. On the other hand, Samsung Galaxy A34 uses a 25W charger which is capable of 27% in 15 minutes and will charge 51% in 30 minutes, and it takes 84 minutes to fully charge the phone. Definitely not the fastest around, but still respectable, especially on the Galaxy A54 which charges significantly 100% faster than its charger sibling. Now let's talk about their performance. No Qualcomm chips appear in this device. Mid-range budget are better served with alternative SoC option. The Galaxy A54 uses Samsung own Exon 1380 chip while the Galaxy A34 has the MediaTek Dimensity 1080 inside. Both chips are 5G capable and are made on modern manufacturing. Let's talk about the camera quality. The Galaxy A34 and A54 have a similar camera setup with an OIS equipped main cam, ultra wide macro on the back and a fixed focus selfie on the front. The A54 has slightly high resolution sensor almost across the board, 50MP main compared to 48MP, 12MP ultra wide compared to 8MP and 32MP selfie compared to 13MP. Both share the same 5MP macro snapper. If we had to choose between the two, we probably give Galaxy A54 a very slight edge in this category. Video quality in another close call between these two. Both support 4K but neither can stabilize it, so if you want stability, you will have go to 1080p 30fps. Selfie quality is also bit of wash between the two phones. Again, we say the A54 has slight lead over the A34. Both phones can capture 4K 30fps selfie videos. If we have to talk in absolute terms, A54 is definitely a technical superior device. Instead of plastic, it has a Gorilla Glass 5 black HDR10+ support and a 120 Hz 6.7-inch Super AMOLED display with automatic refresh rate switching. Its Exynos 1380 chipset outperforms the Dimensity 1080 inside, and it also offers slightly better connectivity options, notably Wi-Fi 6. The A54 significantly faster than the A34 on the same 25W PD charger. It has an overall high resolution camera setup which is slightly better in terms of quality than A34. That being said, the price difference between the two devices is not insufficient. Whilst the overall difference is user experience, is the A34 definitely has better value in our book. If you don't really appreciate some of the aforementioned benefits that the A54 offers, we probably recommend the A34 instead. Samsung Galaxy A54 rate the Galaxy A54 for a more modern looking punch hole selfie cam, slightly faster chipset, good camera image quality, fast charging, HDR10+ video support and automatic screen refresh rate switching, 128GB 6GB RAM deal $353, 256GB 8GB RAM deal $387. Get Samsung Galaxy A34 for more affordable price, large 6.7-inch display, slightly good battery endurance, 128GB 6GB RAM deal $290 and 256GB and 8GB RAM deal $329.